Hello everyone, Javon Polgar here with the Polgar Group, your local mountain house listing professional, standing inside of our new listing in the Altamont Village located at 730 West Woodside Ave. This home features tons of upgrades. It's huge. It's just under 3,700 square feet, open floor plan with a formal dining area, formal living area, many upgrades such as granite counter slab, stainless steel appliances, large tile floors, butler area leading into the formal living, family over to my left here with a fireplace and bonus room. Also has a master suite and a junior suite. The exterior features beautiful backyard with stamped concrete throughout, retainer walls, and is even pre-plumbed for an outdoor kitchen barbecue of your dreams. Great for entertaining, great location, great schools. We'll be hosting an open house this weekend, Saturday to Sunday, 1 to 4 p.m. Once again, open house this weekend, Saturday and Sunday from 1 to 4. Come on down and take a look at this beautiful home.